What's up guys, today's video's on the top 5 best wall clocks 2022, that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research. If you would like to see more details on these products and the updated prices, please check out the description below and be sure to subscribe to get more reviews. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. Nothing ties a room together better than a great clock, and the one you choose to place in your home should reflect your personality and style. We hear you. Add a splash of coastal chic to any room with our first time in company Shiplamp Farmhouse wall clock. Crafted of wood, the white rough wood panels contrast beautifully with the large easy-to-read black Roman numerals to give this timepiece an aged coastal look. With an 18 inches frame, this exceptional clock is sure to be the eye-catching centerpiece of any living space. Number 4. Atomic 14 inches wall clock is simple yet functional piece. This round clock is numbered and has Arabic numerals in bold black finish for better visibility. The dial has an aged off-white finish that gives it a classic touch. The clock has simple tapered style black hour, minute, and seconds hands. This clock also has other advanced features that add to its simplistic looks. This clock is radio controlled and gives you the perfect time. This wall clock is atomic and automatically sets to the exact time. This clock is accurate to each second so that you are never late. This wall clock has 4 time zone setting and automatically updates for daylight savings time with an on and off option. You can easily set the time zone after receiving the signal, which you receive by pressing the time zone button. This wall clock also includes a manual reset button. This atomic 14 inches wall clock works on atomic operating mechanism and requires one AA battery, which is not included. Plus, a bonus with additional battery compartments, 2 AA alkaline, to extend its operating power up to 3 years. This elegant wall clock can be mounted on any drywall of your home or office. Number 3. Main function of a clock is to keep time. Technology has allowed clocks these days to be capable of so much more. The Svin's digital calendar day clock is not just a timekeeper. It's a multifunctional tool that displays the day of the week, the time of day, and the year all on one easy-to-read screen. Its alarm function also allows you to set 3 different types of alarms: a one-time alarm, every day, and weekdays or weekends only. These can be perfect for reminders of meal times, important appointments, or when to take medication. These features make the Svin's an ideal clock for senior citizens who may be facing memory loss, Alzheimer's, or dementia. It allows for structure during the day, while providing the tools to allow form of independence to remain in place. The clock, also available in black, has a high-resolution 8-inch display, is easy to read, and it is the day of the week, month, and date in bold lettering along with the time. There are no confusing abbreviations to be hid here. While the lettering is bold and easy to read during the day, this clock also has auto-dimming options so it won't be keeping anyone awake at night. The Svin's can be hung on the wall, but also comes with a stand so it can be propped up on a desk or countered-up. It has a power adapter so it can be plugged into the wall and has battery backup in the event of a power outage. Number 2. Whether being punctual to a fault is your modus operandi, or you simply want a clock you can take a set it and forget it approach to, the Marathon Atomic Clock will deliver. The ultimate perk? You don't even have to adjust the time. This is an atomic clock that uses radio frequencies to automatically set the time from NIST's Colorado Atomic Clock. What makes the U.S. atomic clock so accurate? It measures the seconds according to the frequency of oscillations of electrons in the cesium atom. If science isn't your forte, you'll still appreciate the accuracy and ease of use this clock provides. All you need to do is insert 2 AA long-life batteries, which are included, and the clock will synchronize to the clock in Colorado once it receives the signal. The Marathon will work in all 8 time zones of the U.S., and a daylight savings time on or off option is included. It displays the date as well as the indoor temperature, which can be shown in either Celsius or Fahrenheit. With its easy-to-read 4-inch high display, you won't have any trouble reading the time. It should also be noted that while the display is large and easy to read in a lit room, you won't be able to read the clock at night as there is no backlight. Number 1. Classic light oak finish and gold details. This Seiko light oak traditional schoolhouse wall clock has a soothing, swinging pendulum and a customizable chime. Set it to chime every quarter hour, half hour, or every hour. Alternatively, silence the chime completely or control the volume. The Roman numerals on the off-white octagon-shaped face give this clock a traditional look that complements a classical style. It's powered by 1C battery that's included with the purchase. This clock's wood and metal housing make it quite heavy, so it requires some care in hanging. The clock comes with a hanging bracket. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.